Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to play I'm still going to do my career as a animator. Oh shit! Number one thing to do. Oh shit! Guys! Yes, guys. We have to take. Bro, why am I lagging? Guys, the game will automatically close sometimes. The recording. So guys, we need to. It says we don't. It literally says put wood in the fireplace. Can I take it from here? No! Nobody cares about that.
Attention, citizens of Robloxia. This is a crucial announcement from the Crossroads government.
Why did you turn off the light?
A snowstorm is approaching, bringing heightened risks. And for your safety, stay indoors. Avoid unnecessary travel. Secure windows and doors. Have emergency supplies ready. Do not venture outside during the storm. If you experience unusual symptoms, seek shelter immediately. Your safety is our top concern.
So guys, we have to get the firewood to survive the fire. We have to open the closets when we hear like a monster sound, and we have to use the camera flash to. We have to use the camera flash to make the monster go away. So guys, that is the tutorial. Hold on, I'm gonna do a race with this guy. Hold on, I'm gonna do a race. No! Wait. Okay, let's skip. How about we raise up the graphics? It looks like bad. The shadows are good. The most worst thing about it is laggy. Skip. Oh shit. Let's see. It is click. Guys, I'm gonna turn on the lights. I don't think we have like this. I think. I mean, I want to. Hey, Roblox. Your translation feature is not working. Come on. Monster. Huh? What the fuck? Ah! Okay, bye guys. We are going to end the video.